Okay, so this is the second video. Like I said, I was talking about the tow bar. I literally just took it out so you could see it. So, as you can see, it bolts there and there. And you have to move your horn, this piece from up here, just turn it around to down there. But this is the tow bar. If you Google Type R tow bar, this is what comes up. This on theirs is closed, but I was like, don't see any reason why to close that. It'd just be extra work. Maybe I will one day, but who knows. It's in behind that thing, so I really don't see any point. It's not gonna get wet or anything. If it does, it'll be very little, and plus it's painted on the inside as well, so yeah. Like I said, I'm not a good welder. But it gets the job done. It's very sturdy. I just didn't care about cleaning mine up because I don't care and I don't see it. So what's the point in cleaning it up and making it look pretty? I just welded the mother hell out of it until it was nice and sturdy. This is a hollow tube, and then I got a piece of steel, round steel, that just did fit inside of it. So it's not hollow anymore. What I did was I welded the tube first, I believe. No, I welded the this part first. So I welded this first after I pre-drilled these with my drill press. I then welded this on, cut it to shape. Then I cut the tube a little bit further. As you can see, it sticks out a little bit further. And then I cut the steel rod the same size as this. But then what I did was I went out and bought a Allen wrench bolt that was the same size, same thread as this, and I had to grind down the head of the bolt just a bit, just to get it to fit inside this steel tube. And once I got it to fit inside here, I cut the steel rod. I cut part of the steel rod off that was the same size as the head of this bolt. So once I welded this steel tube on, I then put the steel rod in, spot welded it on the inside, and then shoved the Allen wrench bolt inside, and then welded the Allen wrench bolt to the inside and to the outside of the steel rod and the steel tube. So Allen bolt, steel rod, steel tube, steel bar for extra support, and a steel mounting plate. But like I said, I still have a lot of this stuff left over. I don't have any more of these. You'll have to, like I said, you have to buy this. And I can pick up more Allen wrench bolts at Ace. So if anyone wants one, just let me know. It took me a day to make it, but that's because I was running back and forth getting parts, because it was my first time. But now that I know what I need and I have some left over, I can have this baby finished in maybe a few hours. Finished but not done. You know, I still have to paint it, and I did 2 coats of primer, 2 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear coat. So, and this baby's already been to New Orleans and back. So yeah, if anyone's interested in, you know, a nice tow bar, let me know. Not a problem. All right, later.